Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Teams ad and not showing an Outlook on your Teams app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Teams app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here to next window, and all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you here to apps window. Then you just go down here to find the Teams app, so just keep going down here to find Teams app. So and you click here on Teams, then it's going to take you to next window here, then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK, then you go down here, you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window here, so just click here on clear cache and you go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store, then you search for Teams, it's going to show for you like this, and you will find here update. You will just click on update and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.